Okay, I want to share with you how to upload your assignment for today. So here's the planner. You're going to click on the activity. Now, there's two activities, Desmos Match My Parabola and Interactive Activity 6-7. Whenever you open each of these links, I suggest you open in a new tab so that this activity remains open the whole time and you don't have to keep going back to your planner. So once the Desmos Match My Parabola activity shows up, all you need to do is click Join. You can pop out in a new window if you want, and then you can continue without actually signing in with your Google credentials. So this is just kind of a warm-up to the activity that's going to be for a grade. So you're just going to go through and play around with this and answer the questions, and it's just going to ask you different things. And actually, I think I would open this in a whole window. That way you can see it a little bit easier. Okay, so just go through this activity. And then once you finish that, you're going to go to your next activity, which is a formula grade. However, please do not go there until you have read all the instructions. So when I open these instructions, it's going to force you to make a copy. So let's make a copy. And this is just getting you set up so you can insert your link to your final page of the graded Google form. So step number 1, you're going to copy and paste the link, but you can't do that yet because you haven't completed the activity. So really, we should go ahead and you can go ahead and type your name in your link up here. So Thomas, comma, Lori, comma, whatever period you're in, comma, and then there's the title of the activity. You don't have to retype that. Now, so you're all set for a moment. Now let's go back and we're going to click on the actual activity. We're going to open a new tab. The tab is going to give us 2 links, one to the Google form and one to Desmos calculator. You will be toggling back and forth to do the activity. Sometimes you may not even need the Desmos calculator if you already understand how the A, the H, and the K affects your parent function of y equals x squared. Okay, so we're going to open Desmos again in a new tab. I'm going to open the Google form in a new tab. So I have my Desmos and I have my Google form. You're going to fill out your first, last name, and your period. And you will see in the instructions that as you do this activity, you're going to keep the parent function graph the entire time. And then each new activity, you're going to add a new equation, and it will tell you what equation to add. I'm not going to go through that part. So, but you're only going to have 2 graphs at the same time. You're going to have the parent function and then your new function. So just 2 graphs at the same time. And then you'll just toggle back and answer the questions. When you finish and you get to a page like this, so here I'm totally done. So you're going to click on View Score. You're going to see your score right here, 10 out of 33. I will see that on my end. What I want you to do is copy the link, go back to your document of instructions, and here is where you're going to paste your link. It was in step 1. So there's my link. Now, once you have that linked on step 1, please make sure that you have your share so that anybody with a link can view it. So mine is anybody can view it. Then after this, you're going to make sure that you save this document that's all labeled correctly in your Google Drive, making sure you know where you are placing it. To submit your work, and really you're just submitting that link that's in the Google document, you're going to click Answer Assignment. You can say, here is my answers, or whatever you want to type there. There's the link. You do not have to click it there, but what I do want to see is when you click Add Files and you go to Google Drive, you are going to locate that document. So here was my document. I want to select it, and then I want to click Submit. And then once it's submitted, I can go through and see who all has completed it. And I will be giving everybody their grade as soon as Mr. Arena allows us to upgrade new grades in the gradebook. I hope this helps.